How to reset network on Bush TV. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Press the menu button on your remote control. Navigate to the settings option and press OK. Step 2. Factory reset. Scroll to the system section within the settings menu. Select factory reset or first time installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and start the reset process. You can also try power cycling the TV. Unplug your Bush TV, hold down the physical power button beneath the IR receiver for at least 15 seconds, wait 30 minutes for residual power to drain, plug the TV back in and turn it on. Additional troubleshooting tips. Verify your Wi-Fi password is correct, check router is working properly, ensure your TV supports the Wi-Fi bandwidth. 2. 4 GHz versus 5 GHz. Update TV firmware through settings, system software update.